Joanne Small-Greenall has been a teacher for over 20 years, but her days have rarely been as unpredictable as they are now. If her colleagues get COVID, she will have to teach her own classes and cover theirs.
If you had a prep that day and it's taken away, it's not great because we use our preps for marking, for planning, for talking to parents.
19 schools in her Ottawa board have at least 1/5 of its staff and students absent. In London, Ontario, 2 schools just closed because of insufficient staffing. And it's not just Ontario.
There are more students being, crowded into gymnasiums and cafeterias, supervised, but this isn't quality education.
In some places, parents are even being asked to come and supervise classes. Part of the problem, the dwindling number of supply teachers. Many just don't want to risk catching COVID.
There's not enough mechanisms in there to encourage people to want to be in the classrooms.
This teachers union president says sick days for substitute teachers would have helped, but she also proposes a shorter-term solution.
What we could do really to look at the masking mandates, the numbers are going up. Do we reintroduce that temporarily to kind of ease those numbers once again? Let's look at the cohorting and the social distancing.
In a statement to CBC News, spokesperson for Ontario's Minister of Education said Ontario remains one of the most cautious provinces and one of the last to lift masking mandates. We will continue to follow Dr. Moore's advice and keep students learning in class with strong protections in place. It did not address bringing back masks or any other public health measures in schools, leaving educators like Joanne Small-Greenall to face another period of teaching marked by stress and uncertainty. Sumanac-Johnson, CBC News, Toronto.